Hey guys, today I want to talk about the string in Python. So to create this notebook is need to create this new button and create a notebook with the Python string. So the string in Python are surrounded by either single quotation mark or the double quotation mark. For example, if you write this with a single hello, and if you print this variable, so the word is the output will be hello, and if you write this variable type, so it is a string, or if you change this to double and run and print this, so it is the same, and when print this type, so it is a stringer or a single or the double quotation mark. For example, to get this variable, to get a character, for example at position 2, so need to write, so print this variable to get a character with position 2. Need to write this, it will be L. Remember that the first character has the position 0, so if you change to get um, the character with 2 in position 2, it will be the L. So to get this character length, need to write len and this variable. Yeah, so this will be 5. For example, the strip method removes any white space from the beginning or the end. For example, if you has this number, this variable with hello 1, and it has a space and end and the beginning, yeah, and write to print this variable and dot strip is removes any white space. So if you has space in the end, the strip is removes. To use, for example, the lower methods, so if you has this variable with x with a hello, and if you write the x dot lower, it is returns the string in a lowercase. If you change this to upper, is return the string in uppercase. So it is the string. So thank you for watching. See you later.